And while we're up here at the top, we'll mount the light. We're going to mount the light now. I drilled 2 holes and I'll tap them with an 832 tap. Holes up in the top of the harp. It's the way we mount all of our brackets. We use a 832 tap and mount the light right up there at the top. Tap's quite easy because it's cast iron. Drill's real easy too. And then we hook up the top switch in the right-hand corner. This wire will go to our light, and this wire down here will go to our coin-op if we have a coin-op in the kit you're installing.